Michael Jaaffar's with us, watching along. This is the cross-examination isn't over. There's a sense in this case, and sometimes they come up at court TV every now and then, where a witness becomes almost like a defendant. He's having to defend himself ad nauseum, if you're pro-Commonwealth, from this defense team. That's a sideshow, because now a juror is trying to evaluate the trustworthiness of a witness, and doesn't that inherently help the defense and create some reasonable doubt?
Absolutely. And now it's trending in the favor of this witness is trending in the favor of the defense, right? The series of, butt dials and, the outgoing call was 1 second. Then there was a call back 17 seconds later to you that lasted 22 seconds. Did you get a voicemail? That is now starting to trend in favor of the prosecution because he owned the house where the man was found dead on his front lawn. So, the defense is doing a good job. They're turning, as you said, Ted, they're turning this witness into a defendant, right? There were so many objections, by the way, within the past 30 minutes of testimony. I don't know if I could recall an incident where there were so many sustained objections in such a sustained period of time. When we were young lawyers, we were taught you don't care about the answer as much as the jury hearing the question. That defense attorney knew that the overwhelming majority of his questions would yield a sustained objection. He just wanted the jury to hear it because he knew that the jury came into this case with a color of the case. He knew that this jury has the weight of an entire community on their shoulders. And they're coming in there looking for a conspiracy, looking for a cover-up. So he wanted to ask a bunch of questions to say, hey, you know what I'm going to ask you. Objection sustained. Hey, you know exactly how this works with an iPhone. Objection sustained. So, yeah, it's going in the favor of the momentum of this witness is going in the favor of the narrative that the defense is putting on.
And that's what they want. When we come back, we're going to hear Brian Albert answer that question about, didn't you call everyone to get your story straight? And I think that's going to be a difficult thing to answer.
Well, he's going to say no, absolutely not.